Hey, what up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to replace the rear window switch on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima. So I got another one that looks pretty much in close to like new condition, and this one is like all scratched up. That's rough. So there's two options you could go about this. If your power window switch is working but you don't like the appearance of this cover, you can remove that, and all you gotta do is remove 1, 2, 3, and 4. So all you do is like pretty much pull those tabs apart. That's one side. And voila. And then once you got this cover off, you can swap it off. But if the whole assembly is not working, let me put this back in. To pop it back in, just click it into place. So if you're not doing this route, you want to replace the whole assembly, I'm gonna show you how to do that too. So you're gonna need no tools. So all you want to do is lift up on this armrest right here. Just get underneath and pull up. Then once you do that, there's a harness right here, which you want to push. It's on the center tab right here. Push in and lift up. And I got big hands, so that'll be easy. But if you can't get it, you can use like a small screwdriver, get in between there and push the tab, or you could even use some needle nose pliers to push it in and pull it out. So now once you got this disconnected and this whole armrest out, it's held down by 3 Phillips head screws. So you can use a manual screwdriver, or you can use an electric one like this. Don't use a bigger electric drill because that has a little bit more force or torque to say, and you can risk splitting the holes that they go into. So make sure you get something like this. So now we're going to remove the 3 Phillips. And then once you got these 3 Phillips out, just lift this up, get rid of it. All right, so now you want to get your new one, pop it back into place. And these are little guides to make sure this properly aligns up, and then the 3 holes for the Phillips goes in. So now I'm gonna put each one back in. That's 1. That's 2. And last but not least, so now you just reconnect it. It's only one way to plug it in. Then what you want to do, put it back over. It'll slide into those little slots. Just have it sit over, and then push down, and you hear it click in place. So that's how you replace your rear window switch on the 7th-gen Nissan Maxima. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.